Okay, so I'm just going to give you a bit of feedback about your knives so far. Now I think, as I told you all, the first knife that you do is always going to be, you're always going to be exploring the material, getting used to the material. Now this knife here, okay, I think you've been very ambitious to carve into that. Good, you've had a go and it's fantastic. But what's interesting about this knife is that it actually as a model has been very successful. Okay? The reason it's successful as a model is that it's teaching me a lot of things about the knife. First of all, we know that the handle is way too short. So the next one, the handle's going to have to come out probably another 5 centimetres out the back. Okay? Secondly, we've got this as an obstacle, this bit here as an obstacle to the cutting action. If we go to cut with it, the last part of the blade can't actually reach the cutting surface. So again, as a model, it's been very successful to show us that, and it's something that a drawing can't tell you. Okay, so the next model you make, I know will be better than this because you've had a go, you've been playing around with it. So good stuff there, excellent. Okay, we've got this one here. Okay, again a similar problem in that we're restricted with the movement at the bottom of this blade, but also we've got a hazard for our finger. Okay, that presents a hazard, so we're going to have to redesign that. Think about how you can, if you want that feature there, how you can provide it so that it doesn't actually cut the user. So this needs a little bit of refinement. It's also a little bit, that angle's a bit odd. So, you kind of, it doesn't feel quite right ergonomically. I think you're going to have to raise the handle up a bit. But again, as a model, it's very successful because it's shown you these things that your drawing is unable to do. The other thing you're learning about is scale. You're realizing that your drawings are too small. When you make the knife of your drawing and you've got this little thing, okay, it's too small. So you're learning about that, that's great. And this one, again, because we're providing the blue foam at a set width, you're kind of just gluing it together. What you need to do is actually slice, I'm just going to do this, slice quite a large chunk off the side there. To get that a bit thinner and then carry on sculpting it. Okay, but it's a simple form at the moment. It's doing okay. So there's some good stuff there. Now I'm going to